Hey folks, make sure to watch this post till the end. It's got a crucial point about how to persuade a customer to buy from our store in just 5 seconds. Essentially, it's about giving an irresistible offer. Did you know that in The Godfather, there's a really cool dialogue where someone asks the Godfather how he plans on making someone do something. And you know what his answer is? His response is, I'm going to make him an offer he can't refuse. And so how can we use this tactic and make an irresistible offer to our customers? Well, first, figure out what your customer's biggest concerns or issues are and address those. For instance, let's look at Domino's. They were just an ordinary pizza shop trying to stand out. After some research, they found that most customers' biggest issue was the long delivery time when ordering pizza from home. So they pledged a promise, clearly stated on their pizza boxes, delivered in less than 30 minutes. As a penalty for failing, they committed to providing the pizza for free if it wasn't delivered within 30 minutes. So why'd they do this? Because no one else had made such a bold promise, and with this unique strategy, they became the top pizza chain in the world. So give your customers an offer so good they can't refuse. Please, sell smartly. Good luck.